What makes Apple TV truly unique is its deep integration of Apple hardware, software, and services. Apple TV is built on the same world-class Apple silicon we put into iPhone. And it runs tvOS, the most powerful TV operating system. Giving Apple TV all this power that smart TVs just don't have, lets you magically transform your living room so you can get in your morning workout with Apple Fitness Plus. Show off your school project using AirPlay. Battle it out on Apple Arcade. And even sneak in a late-night movie with AirPods. The ability to do all of these things and so much more is why we've put so much power into Apple TV. And it's why I'm so excited to share with you the next generation of Apple TV 4K. Apple TV 4K is now built with the A12 Bionic, bringing a new level of performance that will be a massive upgrade to your TV. Delivering the highest visual quality possible has always been core to Apple TV. It already supports high dynamic range formats such as Dolby Vision, revealing more realistic colors and greater detail. And with the A12 Bionic, the new Apple TV 4K can now play HDR and high frame rate. This allows video to play more smoothly and appear more lifelike than ever before, which will be great for fast-moving action like sports. We're working with leading providers across the globe as they begin to stream in high frame rate HDR. And it's not just professionally produced programs that will look amazing. For those of you with an iPhone 12 Pro, you can already record in Dolby Vision at 60 frames per second. And to enjoy all these moments in the best quality on the new Apple TV 4K, we've enhanced AirPlay to support high frame rate HDR. We want everything you watch on Apple TV to look amazing, but because every TV settings are different, it's challenging to know if you're getting the best picture. Until now. With our new color balance feature, Apple TV will work with your iPhone and its advanced sensors to improve your TV's picture quality. Your iPhone uses its camera and proximity sensor to guide you to an on-screen target. Color measurements start automatically. Apple TV uses the light sensor in your iPhone to compare your TV's color balance to the industry standard specifications used by cinematographers worldwide. Using this data, Apple TV will then automatically tailor its video output to compensate for any inaccuracies in your TV's picture settings. So you'll now see much more accurate color without you ever having to adjust your TV. The results can be dramatic, with more natural colors and improved contrast, making your TV look better than ever. Of course, the way you interact with Apple TV is with the Siri remote. So this year, we completely redesigned it with new functionality and controls. It starts with a new one-piece aluminum design that fits perfectly in your hand. And with contrasting controls, you can easily find and hit just the button you want. We also have a brand new ClickPad with 5-way navigation for better accuracy, and the entire ClickPad is touch-enabled, preserving the fast directional swipes users love. And we did something pretty cool with the outer ring. We've given it a new circular gesture that turns it into a jaw control. Perfect for finding just the scene you're looking for. We've also made it the only remote you need for your TV. It now has a power button that controls your TV's power and another for mute. And we've moved the Siri button to the side, just like on your iPhone. The enclosure is made from 100% recycled aluminum, joining Apple TV 4K and all of our products in furthering our commitment to reducing our environmental impact. So that's the new Apple TV 4K. It'll be available for $179 with 32 gigabytes or $199 with double the storage capacity. Perfect for enjoying even more apps and games. You can order them on April 30th, and they'll be available in the second half of May. With the power of A12 Bionic, the realism of high frame rate HDR, and a totally redesigned Siri remote, the new Apple TV 4K brings the absolute best entertainment experience to your home.